Hi everyone, I have a Black & Decker leaf blower and there's a problem with this leaf blower. Let me show you. The on and off button is stuck. It won't move at all, and so I wouldn't be able to turn it on and it becomes useless. And you wonder what model is it? Here on the back you will see LSW221 right there. And type 2 20 volt max DC. The button here won't work. So I can't turn it on, it's stuck. So I need to find out how to fix this. I need to open it up, and these things are held by a bunch of screws. They are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws here. And if you have a power tool like this one, it helps you a lot, make your job easier. I'm missing one. That's why. What happened? Okay, this one needs a screwdriver. Let's get the screwdriver. All right. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't lose it. So I got all the screw out. The only way you open it, not from the back, because this is a piece of sticker holding these two pieces together. So you can only open it from the top. And this is the button that controls the switch right here. And when you push in, it's on and it's off when it's up. And there's still buttons like this. Is that the little piece right there? So the button right here, you push it, you go down, and go backward, you go up, which is off. Let me show you how they work. On, see, push it down, off, on. So the reason it got stuck because look right here, it's all got worn out. You see the black thing heating. This right here, and the legs here, I've raised it, and they're all worn out. See both sides, they're all worn out. This got worn out, and this got worn out compared to this side. And what does it push? This goes into here. So that's my plan. Got a piece of tape. Gotta tape it right there. The reason I use a piece of tape because it helps to decrease the friction and also stop the switch from worning out faster. Here, double check, make sure the tape is stick to the surface good enough and so it won't come off when it's rubbing against the switch. Next, I'm gonna get some lubricant to lubricate the surface. I can find some all-purpose, general-purpose lubricant. Spray some over here. Okay. No. Pass over that thing is on, off, on. So because this thing is just stuck easy. See. It's just a bad design. So just help the lubrication, so decrease the friction. That's how it goes. So let's see if it works or not. Get my battery pack. Alright, that's how you fix it. Last thing you do is put all the screw back. Alright, let's test it again. Alright, that's how you fix this Black & Decker frozen or stuck button. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.